In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to modify the normal style in Microsoft Word, enabling you to customize your documents with ease and consistency. Whether you're working on a school report, a professional proposal, or any other type of document, managing styles effectively can save you a lot of time and ensure your formatting is consistent across all your projects. To begin, you'll need to open Microsoft Word. You can either create a new document or open an existing one. The great thing about styles is how they allow you to make sweeping formatting changes across your document with just a few clicks. Once your document is open, you'll want to direct your attention to the Home tab, which is located at the top of your screen. Here, you'll find various options for formatting your text. Within this Home tab, you'll see a section labeled Styles. It might not stand out immediately, but to open the Styles pane, you'll need to click on the tiny arrow in the lower right corner of the Styles group. This little launcher opens up a broader range of style options and is a crucial tool for what we're about to do next. Now, with the Styles pane open, you'll see a list of various styles on the right side of your screen. These include options like Heading 1, Title, and Body Text. However, our focus today is on the style labeled Normal. This is typically the default style for new documents in Word, making it a foundational element in how your text will appear by default. When you find Normal in that list, right-click on it and select Modify. This action will open the Modify Style dialog box, which is where the real magic happens. In this dialog box, you have the ability to change the formatting of your text to suit your personal style or the requirements of your document. You can adjust the font type and size, pick a different color, change the alignment, and modify line spacing. These options allow you to truly tailor how your documents look. A key aspect to pay attention to at this point is towards the bottom of the Modify Style dialog. Here you'll find a setting under a label similar to Apply Changes to. This is crucial when deciding whether you want your changes to apply only to the current document or to all future documents you create. If you'd like these changes to be your new default, be sure to select the option that indicates new documents based on this template. Finally, once you're satisfied with your selected changes, click OK to apply them. With this step, you've successfully modified your normal style. Now, every time you start a new document, Microsoft Word will remember your preferences, ensuring consistency in all your work. This customization not only speeds up your workflow, but also enhances the professionalism of your documents.